All right, so the Ministry of Education is set to make drastic changes for school heads, both in primary and secondary schools. Headmasters and school principals in public institutions will not be allowed to serve for more than 9 years in the same school. Teacher Service Commission CEO Nancy Macharia delivered this message at the 13th Annual Primary School Head Teachers Conference in Mombasa. But how do head teachers feel about this move? Francis Mtalaki attended the event and filed the following report.
Teaching at the administrative program.
In a bid to improve public primary and secondary school education and accountability, the Teacher Service Commission has set its eyes on school heads and their deputies.
We will not be allowing head teachers to serve in their home counties or to be in one school for more than 9 years. It is the Commission's hope that this policy will ensure cohesion and appreciation of our diverse cultures. You know, so that if I come from Muranga, I'm not posted back to Muranga. I never know even what happens in Kirinyaga or Kiambu.
The employer is digging deeper for what the TSC terms as accountability and ways of improving public education in the country.
Head teachers and deputy head teachers will be required to be holders of a Bachelor of Education degree. Principals and the deputy principals in post-primary institutions will be required to be holders of Masters of Education degrees. Now, I know you are asking, if you don't have a degree or a master's and so on, then what?
Expectations and leadership standards in the education sector that the ministry say will be implemented gradually. But what do head teachers feel about these proposed changes?
It's okay, that, like the CEO said, but on the other hand, it may not be okay. So because we are managers of schools, we are principals in primary schools, but you find at times one sleeps on the job. If one sleeps on the job for the 9 years and then the person is transferred without any other proper reform, then it would mean transferring problems.
That makes sure you take your cohort where possible from standard 1 to 8 if possible, and just one more year if you are a bit lucky. And this will effectively address issues of conflict of interest that may arise.
As the TSC is embarking on these changes, the Ministry of Education is in its final stages of preparation of rolling the new curriculum.
By 20th of December, we shall have trained 160,000 teachers in preparation to the rollout of the first phase of the curriculum reform that we are undertaking. We are doing this for our children.
This has since received a mixed reaction from education publishers after Education Cabinet Secretary announced that the government will be buying only 3 accredited books from the publishers.
We want to give the school-going children quality. However, many opportunities are still coming up. With the new curriculum, for example, we know now at least we have an enhancement of skills.
So everybody is just worried. We are just waiting. Everybody is just crossing the fingers, assuming that maybe Mr. Matiang'i is not sure of what he is saying. We are assuming that it will not happen.
The 4-day annual conference is set to end on Thursday here in Mombasa, with recommendations forwarded to the Ministry of Education. Francis Mtalaki, KTN News.